Hello, question I get asked a bit is how do I clean my coins? Well, if they're naff, as you've seen before, I chuck them in brick acid. Sometimes the ultrasonic cleaner will clean them, and sometimes, the majority of the time, when they're sort of like that, I use one of my coin tumblers. That's the media in that one, if you can see. That's stainless steel bearings. So what we'll do, we'll put in some coins. We'll pick out some from here what look like I don't know, 3 decimal pennies. We'll pick out quite a few. Some don't look much cop at all. But these are all what we found. What's that? That looks like a threepence. What we found over the storms. You might get dates. There'll be modern coins and all sorts in these. But, we'll chuck them in. And sometimes you find, like what I've thought has been pennies before, 20 pence there. Save that one for a different. Farthings and some that looks like a 6pence. That looks like a 6pence. I can go in with that one, but I do copper and silver coloured separately. So we'll pickle some coins out. I'll not do too many for you. Still got quite a few to do, but I just go through them every now and again and do a few to clean them up. Some of them 2pence. But it does work pretty well. But it's time consuming. Without going through them all. Quite a lot of ship half pennies and all sorts in there. Well, chucked a few in there. Then one teaspoon of magic powder and top it up just above the coins with water. This one is a bit better. Use this one indoors because it's rubber and it's real quiet, but it's not as aggressive as the blue one, and that one's from the 1970s. It still works. Got the lid on, so all we do then put it on there. Let it spin for a while. Stay for what, maybe 4 hours. We'll give it 4 hours and we'll give them a rinse off. I'll show you what they look like. See you on the other side. So that's a few hours past. Hang on. And let's turn it off. I'll take you over. See what damage has been done. So what we started off with was coins like that. What we've now got is that. Hang on. I really ought to have thought about this. We'll tape everything over there, kill my grass. Just come loose. The coin got stuck in the bottom there, so it's not going to be much. It's not going to be awfully clean. I think we've got them all. So what we've got are coins we can now possibly get dates off. There's a Victorian, that one. Some have worked pretty well. Some are still a bit tatty. Tatty ones I'm not right fussed about. Ooh, modern. Modern. Georgia 5th. Georgia 6th. I think that's it. So from that to that, success. So if you want to clean coins, clean them in a rock tumbler. Check out the other videos with the coin cleaning, one in brick acid and the ultrasonic cleaner. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.